Kia ora, I'm Matt and today I'll be opening a mystery parcel that's been sent to me. So this parcel has been sent by Ezra Hansen, who's one of my YouTube role models. And yeah, he says open in a video, so we're going to do that right now. Right, let's open the parcel. Alright, I'll put this down right here. He's done taped it well. I think I might have to rip it. Oh, there's a letter up on top. The letter says, "Hey Matt, been loving your videos. Just a few things for you to use in your projects. Keep it up, Ezra. Use the 2 knives in the small boxes for a competition." Thank you, Ezra. Oh! What? I have a Matt Pack Swiss Army knife right here. And over here I have a Sheffield pocket knife. And I also have a sharpener stone. Can't really pronounce the name right. Oh, I'll need this for my last video, hobo stove, to sharpen my other knife. Put that there. In here, I have 2 of the knives that you guys could win in comments. Thank you so much, Ezra. It's really generous of you for the parcel. And yeah, if you guys want to check out his channel, it's going to be a link in the description. And yeah. Competition time. Right. For the best 2 ideas in what videos I should do in the next time, in comments, will win one of these 2 knives for free. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more of these videos. And can't wait to see what the comments are.